In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoho Books Certification. By the end, you'll know exactly how to register for the certification program and set yourself up for success with Zoho's official process. First, open your browser and head to the Zoho training and certification page for Spark. The direct path is zoho.com/spark/training-certification. Make sure you're on the official Zoho website so you're accessing the most up-to-date information and forms. If the page looks different due to regional settings or updates, don't worry, just stay on the certification section. On that page, look for the Register Now button. It's usually prominent near the top or within the Zoho Books certification area. Click it to open the registration form. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit. The site can display different layouts depending on your screen size. Next, you'll be asked to select your user type. Choose the option that best describes you, such as a business user, consultant, student, or another relevant category. Picking the right type helps Zoho tailor the experience and communications you receive, and it can influence the resources they recommend during your certification journey. Now, fill in your first and last name. Use the name you want to appear on your certificate. Consistency matters here. Matching the name you use across your professional profiles can make it easier to verify your achievement later. You'll then provide your company or organization name and your primary contact details, including a professional email and a reachable phone number. Enter accurate information you check regularly. This is how Zoho will send enrollment details, event schedules, and important updates about your certification progress. If you're independent, it's fine to enter your own brand or leave company as applicable. Choose your country from the drop-down so Zoho can localize content and timing where relevant. After that, you'll be prompted for a verification code. Zoho typically sends this instantly to the contact method you provided. Retrieve the code and enter it carefully. If it doesn't arrive within a minute, give it a moment and refresh your inbox or messages. Also, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Verification ensures your contact details are valid, which is essential for future notifications. Finally, click Submit. You should see a confirmation on screen and you'll receive a follow-up message with next steps. Keep that message handy. It often includes links to training materials, schedules, or your learning dashboard. That's it. You're officially registered and ready to pursue your Zoho Books certification.